Hello everyone, so welcome to today's video. This is my second video for the day. If you haven't already seen me in this outfit, either my other video is posted, if not it's coming after this, so you'll see me with this whole get up again. But I wanted to do this video unboxing my July Play by Sephora because I'm excited. Like, I really want to dig into this box, and I just got it in the mail literally today. I haven't even looked in it. I just took the thumbnail for it, and that is it. Hopefully there's nothing breakable in there. I haven't even opened the little pamphlet. It says, "Drink in the goodness." Oh, that's really cool. Beauty blends. So that is the little pamphlet, the colors and the stuff for this month. And, okay, obviously I can kind of already tell what's in here because it tells you in here, but that's cool. We're just still going to dig in. We're just going to kind of go through it. July 2018, you get 50 Sephora points, Beauty Insider points. If you're not a Sephora Play subscriber, you get 50 Sephora points every single month with every box. You just take in the card and you go in. They put extra 50 points with any purchase. You don't have to do a minimum purchase or anything, which I like because some places that do that say, okay, you have to spend a minimum of this or that, and maybe I don't want to. Being a little sassy today. It's the makeup that's making me feel this way. And the fact that I feel pretty good because I'm drinking my Green Goddess smoothie. Anyways, moving on. Let's get into this. Let's see. The pouch is just very basic. No sort of theme or color to it. It's just white with the play in red. And we're just digging in. Let's do this. Oh, okay. I have tried this already, though. The Briogeo Bloom and Blossom Ginseng and Biotin Volumizing Shampoo. I did buy the travel size several months ago, maybe actually, you know what, that was last year. And I still have a little bit of the conditioner left because the conditioner was, I remember, being a little too heavy. I have very thin, very fine hair. I have a total of 5 strands in my head, so I have to be easy with the conditioner. But this is no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. This is a 98% naturally derived formula. Briogeo is a very clean brand. It's under the Clean Beauty and the Sephora website. You can go on there and get some stuff from this brand. They have lots of different things, and they cater to many different hair types and hair textures, which is really great. And I did like the shampoo. It is sulfate free, which is super important because I do color my hair, and with red tones, sulfates do strip the color, and it does strip everybody's hair. Even if you don't color it, it strips the scalp. And I noticed that when I do sulfate free, my scalp isn't irritated or feels weird. My hair feels soft and silky. It's got this bounce to it, and it's just really, really cool. So I'm excited about this. I will try it again and use it because obviously I paid for that. But the conditioner was a little heavy. That's the shampoo though, so, you know, not too bad. Okay, so this little thing kind of fell out of the little pouch. It is, what is this? The Caudalie Vino Perfect Concentrated Brightening Essence. We'll see if this is any good because it sounds good. Concentrated Brightening Essence, the first step to fight against dark spots. So I don't have a lot of age spots, thankfully. I do have some spots because of breakouts. I do have acne-prone skin, so I do use vitamin C serums every single morning. And I tell you, that has been such a big game changer for me because it does lighten up dark spots, age spots, acne pigmentation, melasma. It does help with that. And it's just fighting the free radicals and staying out of the sun, which makes everything worse. So I'm excited about this because it is like the essence, like a Korean skincare inspired thing, which a lot of brands are coming out with these things, are catching on to the goodness of Korean skincare, which I haven't tried a 15-step routine. I don't think I have the patience for that. But anyways, so it's an essence that you apply morning and evening before your serum on cleansed skin with a cotton pad or with the tips of your finger, face and neck. Avoid the eye contour area. 0% sodium lauryl sulfate. So there's no sulfates in it. You can find that not only in hair care products, but you do find it in skincare, and that can be quite stripping for the skin. So that might not last a whole lot, but enough to know whether or not I will purchase the product. I have not tried much from Caudalie, so if you have tried from their brand, let me know what you think is good from their brand. What are some of their standout products? Because I'm really intrigued. Okay, so mine is cracked, and I think it's probably because I slammed it onto the thing, maybe, or maybe it just came that way, so it doesn't really close all the way. I have used this though, the Pharmacy. This is the Lightweight Moisturizer. It's not my favorite. I do have a travel size one left, but I think I may just hold on to this and give it to someone that I know because I know it's not my jam. This is the next product, the Wren Evercalm Ultra Comforting Rescue Mask. I have this because I bought, where is it? Come on, where are you? The Sephora Favorites Clean Beauty. This is what's in here. So I'm going to try the one that I bought in the set, and if it doesn't work, then I will not use this. But if it works and I love it, then I have a backup, which is great. Or I can give that to somebody else, no biggie. Let's see what else. Ooh, a Bite Agave Lip Mask. Now, I have been wanting to try this, so I'm super pumped about this. I like Bite products. I like their lipsticks. They're made with actual food-grade ingredients, so technically you probably could eat it and be okay with that, but I wouldn't recommend it. But I have been wanting to try the lip mask, and I'm all about hydrating the lips, because one thing, if you're new to my channel, that I cannot stand is the feeling of dry, chapped, irritated lips. It drives me up the wall. So I have Vaseline literally in everywhere, in my kitchen, in my purse, at my nightstand, in my bathroom, in this room when I'm filming. I have it literally everywhere, and I have one in my purse. I will not go without any sort of form of lip balm, lip chapstick type of thing, because I cannot stand having dry, chapped lips. And that's why I'm able to get away with wearing matte lips, which, by the way, I'm using a Jeffree Star one today, because if not, matte lips they don't vibe with chapped lips. So I'm excited about this. And then I also have the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Party. It's got a couple A's. I do have this already in my makeup bag, actually. So I will not be using this one. I probably will give this to someone. I'm going to my cousin's wedding, so maybe I can go through my stuff, give some stuff to her, to my aunt, my mom, because we're all getting together for the wedding, which is really great. But I do like this color. Love the formula. Love the brand of Tarte. So that's a really great color. You've seen me use this before, and it goes with literally everything. So yeah, it's really great. All right, so that is it. No fragrance sample this time. What? I thought fragrance samples come with everything. That's okay, because they've been hit or miss for me anyway, so no big deal. Yeah, no fragrance samples today. All right. Well, I mean, the theme of this is none of this month's selections contain parabens, phthalates, or sulfates. So I think this is sort of moving towards that green beauty. So I'm not mad at it, because like I said in my video when I talked about that skincare set, that I'm more inclined to try a lot of more clean green beauty products, because they don't have the bad ingredients in them, and they should be pretty safe to use for all skin types, even though mine can be kind of sensitive sometimes and acne prone. But I'm actually happy about that. I'm excited about the lip mask, the essence for sure. Everything else I've actually already owned and tried, so that's kind of like meh. So a couple of my products have been not so exciting, I guess, this month, because like I said, I've tried 4 of those things already. So that is it, everyone, for this month's Play by Sephora box. It wasn't the best box that I've gotten, but it wasn't the worst. It's not the worst thing, because it's really good brands, and that's why I'm excited to get these every single month, because it's brands from Sephora. It's good stuff. It's not, you know, cheapo, whatever products, as other boxes do that I'm just not thrilled about. So I'm super excited to receive these every single month. I do pay for this myself, so this is not a sponsored video. It is a $10 monthly service. If you haven't tried it, definitely give it a go. I think that I have been more pleased with the Sephora, or the Play by Sephora, I'm going to screw that up every time, the Play by Sephora boxes than I was when I was signed up with Ipsy. I want to say for a good year, I wasn't too happy with their service, and I kept contemplating canceling. My 2 cents for this month. I look forward to doing this video again, so subscribe so that you can tune in next month when the I was going to say April. Oh my goodness. When the August box comes in, and we can kind of explore what that is. So take care. Have a great day wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Have a fabulous day, week, weekend, whenever I post this video. And I will see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos, and talk to you later. Bye.